Good morning, student. Now we continue our lecture for class 11th exercise 11.3. Now we have vertices. बेटा अभी तक हमने किया था इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स. What is equation of ellipse? You know, sir, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is our equation of ellipse. There is a formula for c, that is under root of a square minus b square. Now vertices are plus minus 5 0 and focus b 4 0. Vertices are plus minus 5 0 and focus means this implies हमें बेटा c given है. Vertices are plus minus 5 0 and focus is plus minus 4 0. मीन्स हमें क्या गिवन है, a is equal to 5 and c is equal to 4. Using this formula you will get the value of b. What is a square? Therefore a square is 25, c square is 16. We know c square from that is equal to a square minus b square. 16 is equal to 25 minus b square. What is b square? B square is equal to 25 minus 16. So b square is equal to 25 minus 16, we have 9. So what is the equation of, you will get a and b. You got a and b. So what is the equation of ellipse? Sir, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This implies x square by a square 25 plus y square by b square, that is y square by 9 is equal to 1. Since here vertices are plus minus 5 0 means the ellipse is along the x-axis. Ellipse is along the x-axis. ठीक है. Now next question, vertices are this and this. Since vertices are 0 and 13, so ellipse is along y-axis. जो ellipse होगा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में अलोंग y axis. Okay, we have given c is 5 and b is 13. From that you will get the equation. Same for the end of major axis is plus minus 3 and end of minor axis is 0 plus minus 2. अब की बार major axis, in that we have given a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. What will be the equation of ellipse? Sir, x square by a square 9 plus y square by b square 4 is equal to 1. This is the equation, required equation. End of major axis is 0 plus minus root 5 and end of minor axis is plus minus 1 0. Then we have b is equal to under root 5 and a is equal to 1. What is the equation of ellipse? X square by 1 का square 1 plus y square by b square, that is 5 is equal to 1. हाँ, हम ये कर सकते हैं बेटा, मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाय 5, that is 5x square plus y square is equal to 5. ये भी बेटा ellipse की इक्वेशन है. Either solve in this that manner. Length of major axis is 26. We have now length of major and focus is plus minus 5. Length of major axis means हमें क्या given है बेटा, 2a is equal to 26. This implies a is equal to 26 by 2. We have 13. This implies a is equal to 13 and we have c is equal to focus 5. Focus, we know c square is equal to a square minus b square. Get it out. C square 25 is equal to a square 13 square minus b square. So what is b square? 13 square is 169 minus 25. B square is 441. So equation of ellipse, that is x square by 169 plus y square by 144 is equal to 1. This is the required equation. Now next question is, we have focus is this and A is equal to this. C and A are given, so you got B from that equation, and from that formula you get the value of A, B and C. In the next question, we have B and C, center at the origin, focus on the x-axis. Focus on the x-axis. What is the equation? Focus on x-axis beta, तो means C given है, B given है. From this you got the value of A, and put the value of A. Put the value of A. C is equal to 3, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. We have C square is equal to A square minus B square. 16 is equal to A square minus 9. That is A square is equal to 16 plus 9. A square is equal to 25. So equation of ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Center at 0, 0, major axis on the y-axis, major axis y-axis, and passes through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. अब की बार बेटा passes through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. What is the equation of ellipse? Sir, x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. Now center at 0, 0. Major axis on the y-axis and the point passing through the 3, 2. Passing through 3, 2 means बेटा ये जो ellipse हैं ये इस फॉर्म में है, and you know if this ellipse is passing through 3, 2 and 1, 6, 3, 2 and 1, 6, then it must satisfy these 2 points. It must satisfy these 2 points. Put the value of these 2 points there. You got 9 by A square plus 4 by B square is equal to 1, and 1 by A square, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 6, plus 36 by B square is equal to 1. Let 1 by A square is equal to P and 1 by B square is equal to Q. You got 9P plus 4Q is equal to 1, and P plus 36Q is equal to 1. After solving this, you got the value of P and Q using elimination method and any other method as you wish, you want. You got the value and solve it. You got 1 by, suppose multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4, that is 36P plus, sorry, multiply this by 9, 81P, 9 9 ja 81P plus 36Q is equal to 9. Subtract, minus minus minus, this be cross out. Minus 80P is equal to minus 8, minus 2 minus cancel out. P is equal to 8 by 80. P is equal to 1 by 10. Put the value of P here. Put the value of P here. 1 by 10 plus 36Q is equal to 1. 1 by 10 plus 36Q is equal to 1. 36Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10. Q is equal to 10 minus 1, 9 by 10 multiply 36. 9 4 ja 36. This implies Q is equal to 1 by 40. Q is equal to 1 by 40. What is P? P is 1 by A square, means 1 by A square is equal to 1 by 10. This implies A square is equal to 10. And 1 by B square is equal to 1 by 40. This implies b square is equal to 40. So equation of ellipse is x square by 10 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1. This is the required equation. Now in same manner you do the next exercise in which there be hyperbola. Okay, bye beta, take care.